Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In case you're new here, my name is Shivam Jangra. I'm 24 years old and working as a product manager. Prior to that, I graduated from Hansraj College in Delhi University. The reason you clicked on this video is you're exploring NoFap or have just started on this journey and want to know more about it. In this video, we'll talk everything about NoFap and masturbation and what I think about it. I'll leave timestamps in the video description, so feel free to skip around. Let's talk about what is NoFap. So NoFap is just another term for not masturbating. There was a NoFap movement started by a community of people who thought there are immense benefits of not masturbating. So first, let's try to understand our biology and why do we actually masturbate in the first place. So it is the cheapest and fastest source of gratification that you can find. You don't have to spend anything. The gratification level is very high and it is almost available instantly. You don't have to do much effort for it. The second reason we masturbate is it is in our biology that humans are built in a way that their primary functions were to mate and eat. So there is a sexual tension within us that we release by masturbating. It also helps people explore their body and it also helps in relaxation. Now let's talk a bit about what are the scientific benefits of not masturbating. The first benefit is that it gives you a lot of time. So I read on the internet the average session on Pornhub lasts for 10 minutes and 15 seconds. So if you include everything like setting up, exploring and actually doing the deed, it comes to around 30 minutes from your day. The other data point is that an average person masturbates 2 times a week. So you're giving up to 40 minutes in a month or 48 hours in a year in actually doing that. So if you stop masturbating, it gives you a lot of time to do the things that you actually care about. The second scientific benefit of not masturbating is that it regulates your dopamine. For those of you who don't know, dopamine is a neurochemical in our brain that adds incentive to focus on meaningful things in life. Dopamine is released in our brain when we have good food or have sex. It is also released in our brain when we actually feel a sense of fulfillment or sense of achievement in our life. For example, you worked so hard to get a job and then you finally got the offer. And that particular moment your brain will release so much of dopamine and you will start to feel very happy. And masturbation is the cheapest and fastest way to release that dopamine in your brain. And when you actually do that, it creates that artificial imbalance in your brain and makes you feel satisfied and fulfilled even without doing anything. You don't actually put in the effort to do meaningful things in life. When your brain thinks, okay, that I am able to get this much dopamine by doing nothing or by just masturbating, and when so much of dopamine is released in our brain thinks that, okay, I am getting this much of dopamine by doing nothing, so I don't need to put in the energy or effort to do the meaningful things in life. Therefore, we try to find shortcuts in life and get the rewards without even actually putting in the effort. When you masturbate, you are releasing that sexual tension from within yourself, which would have only been possible if you were having sex. And for sex, you need to go out and have meaningful conversations with other people. So you don't just feel the need to have those conversations because you just want to release that sexual tension. The third benefit which I find is the mental health. When we masturbate while viewing porn, we start to think men and women as tools to fulfill our sexual desires. But in real life, if you think about it in a meaningful way, it is not actually the case. There are deeper meanings hidden. The purpose of a relationship is not to release your sexual desire, but to actually create a mutual relationship, but to actually create a feeling of trust and acceptance with your partner. And when you do masturbate, you don't feel like putting in the effort because your brain thinks that I'm releasing the dopamine and I don't need to put in the effort to actually have meaningful conversations with other people. There have been numerous studies that show there is a very high degree of correlation between masturbation and depression. So does masturbation causes depression or depression causes masturbation? How I think about it is actually both ways. It is a cycle. If you are feeling depressed, you don't feel like doing anything, and to get a sense of gratification, you masturbate. And when you masturbate, it actually puts you in a downward spiral of not doing anything, and we start masturbating even more. And because it keeps sending signal to our brain that we are still satisfied and we don't need to do meaningful things. We don't feel the need to go out and have conversation, go on dates with 10 people. We don't go out enough to have meaningful conversations with different people that will actually create good relationships. We just satisfy ourselves with masturbating and releasing that sexual tension, having that gratification within us. For example, to do meaningful things in life, to get a sale, you will start to have to reach out to clients, tens or 15 or 20 of clients to actually convert your first sale. And when that first sale gets converted, it will then release your dopamine and give you a sense of satisfaction and achievement, and then you will feel happy. But when we start masturbating, we are actually short-circuiting that whole process, that we do not need to put in any effort to feel that sense of gratification, which is actually very dangerous and can lead to depression. So let's talk about my thoughts on NoFap. I am on this NoFap journey from last 2 to 3 months and have also stopped watching porn, and I believe it has changed my life drastically. My relationships have improved. I feel like going out of my room, talking to my parents, having meaningful conversations to them, having meaningful conversations with my friends, and I am actually not afraid to put in the effort, and I actually feel that I have the energy to do the effort of taking that longer route to feel that sense of gratification. I would not say that stop masturbate. I don't want to come across as a guru. I'm just sharing what worked for me. And along with NoFap, I complemented it with meditation and working out on daily basis. And I feel like a completely new person. My energy levels have shot up. My relationships have improved. My health has improved. My mental health has improved. I feel like I have a completely new perspective about life, about myself, and about others. That's it from my side. If you found any value in this video, please click the like button, because it gives me the sense of gratification for the effort that I had put in this video. Also feel free to share your thoughts in the comment sections, and I'll make sure I reply to them. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button so you will keep seeing similar videos from my side. Have a good day. Bye bye.